Indian troops have intensified their sweeping crackdown across occupied Kashmir, launching the fresh raids and searches in the multiple districts. Since the Pahalgam false flag operation on April 22nd, more than 2,500 Kashmiris have been arrested and nearly 3 dozen homes demolished across occupied Kashmir, marking one of the most aggressive clampdowns in the recent times. Indian authorities seized the agricultural land of Muhammad Riaz, measuring 1 canal and 11 marlas in the Kasbah area of the Punch under draconian the Unlawful Activities Prevention Act. Since the illegal abrogation of occupied Kashmir's special status in August 2019, the BJP-led Indian government has escalated its campaign to deprive the Kashmiris of their lands, homes and the identity. Senior APHC leader Mirwais Umar Farooq has strongly condemned the ongoing crackdown on the Kashmiris in the wake of the Pahalgam incident, despite the community's widespread condemnation of the attack. Addressing a large gathering at the historic Jamia Masjid in Srinagar, he raised serious concerns over the killing of two youth, Altaf Lali and Ghulam Rasool, by the Indian troops in the staged encounters, with their families demanding impartial investigations into the incidents. All parties Hurriyat Conference spokesman Advocate Abdul Rashid Minhas, in a statement issued in Srinagar, expressed deep alarm over the deteriorating situation in occupied Kashmir. He strongly condemned the ongoing wave of the brutal cordon and search operations, house raids, extrajudicial killings, mass arrest and the property demolitions, describing them as a part of the India's systematic campaign of state terrorism to collectively punish the Kashmiri people.